All right, buddy. We are going to talk about melting crayons, which we did today. Okay? So what are we going to talk about? Melting crayons. Okay, come spell. Here, come sit and spell. Come on. Come on over. Come on over. Here. Come sit in your chair. You can do better in your chair. Come on. All right. So you melted crayons. Let's spell that word. So crayon is going to be C. Where's it? Where's the C? Ready? Crayon, C. Next would be R. Ready? C-R. Okay, all the way in the corner. A. And this is a yawn sound in it. So it's actually Y. And then, right there. Yep, O and over crayon. Melting crayons. All right. If you think you've outgrown crayons, you're probably wrong. The beloved art tools aren't just for creating colorful masterpieces, they're also great for science. Science is spelled S-C-I-E-N-C. Let's spell on the big board. I'm going to help you. All right? Your job is to poke it through real good. You ready? Science. S-C-I-E-N-C-and-E. Science. All right, using an oven and some old crayons, you can actually test how color affects melting times. Melting times. So, an oven affects what when it comes to crayons? M. Down the corner. You got it. M. Melt. Melt. Here you go. L. And then a T. Melt. And then when we say ing at the end of a word, you know how to spell that, Liam? Ing. It's like the action. You ready? It's I. And then, right there. Yep. And I-N what? Melting. You got the I and the N. And next comes, right there, G, melting. Yes, it affects the melting times. It's a simple and creative project that also ends with a waxy splattered piece of art. A-R-T. You made that today, Liam. You made it over there with us. So let's spell art. What do you think? You're really close. Top row. A-R-T. Art. All right. So here it says, here's the problem. In science, you look at a problem and you see how you can solve it. So what will melt faster? A black crayon or a yellow crayon? We want to see what will melt faster. Find the first letter of that. Faster. What do you think? Over what? F for faster. Alright, so here's what you use. Are you ready? I'm going to talk about all the things you need for this project. You ready? Let's count them together. Here we go. You need black crayons. 1. Yellow crayons. 2. Cookie sheet. 3. Wax paper. 4. Timer. 5. Pencil. 6. Notebook. 7. An adult. 8. An oven. 9. An oven mitt. 10. Why do you think you need an oven mitt? What would it prevent? Let's see. If you use an oven mitt, it'll prevent a right here, burn. So B, let's spell burn. B and then U. And then R and then all the way over. A burn. Yeah, we don't want those. Okay, so we're going to cut out the first few words here. So I want you to get your hand in here. Let's see, top one like that. Okay. I'm going to hold it, and then you're going to open it. Oh, you got to use one hand. You got it. Ready? So you got to open. And then you're going to cut right there. Good job. And open again. Open. Cut. And then let's see if we can do it this way. Open, cut, open, Hold on, wait till Mommy gets it ready. Okay. Open with one hand. Can you do it? Now make sure your fingers are right. Top. And then 2 bottoms. Right now you open it. Can you open it? Like this. Open. Okay. Cut. You got it. All right, open. I know you want to do it that way. Okay. Hold on. All right, let's try it together. All right, so. All right, you got it. I'm going to help you open it. Yeah, we got to just use one hand because that's going to be safer down the road. Maybe you need to put it in that spot. Here, ready? Let's try that one. All right, you ready? There we go. Good job. Okay, get your thumb back in there. All right, here we go. I know you want to use 2 hands. I know, but you're doing so good with one hand. Right, you got to open it. Open. Cut. Good job. Okay. We'll take a break from cutting for a second. Let's trace this crayon. This is a picture of a crayon. So we just kind of trace it. Yeah. Yeah. There's our crayon. All right, so we have all our materials, and we have an adult to help. All right, so the first thing you do for this project is you preheat the oven to 230 degrees. So you want to get the oven hot. Let's know that. The oven has to be hot. What's the first letter? I want you to think real hard before you poke it. First letter of hot. You get it. I'm not going to help you with this one. You're going to get it. First letter of hot is... What says? Yes! I saw you look and find it. And then, yep. O. And the last letter of hot. Over 1. Yes, T. All right. Lay the pencil back. You want it hot. So you put this wax paper on the cookie sheet first. Which is ironic because crayons are made out of wax. So what kind of paper are we going to use? W. Close. Over 1. Up. A. And the last letter of wax. What do you think? W-A. Here, turn your body real straight. W-A, and then comes right here. X. Wax. All right. Then you dump the crayons on the cookie sheet. You should have at least 3 black crayons and 3 yellow. All right, so this is called the word dump. And that means you're going to pour out. So which one do you want to spell, dump or pour? Which word do you want to spell? You pick the first letter. Either a D or a P. Your choice. What are you thinking? Pick a letter. Pick one. D or P. Then we'll get the rest of the words together. All right, those are D or P. I want you to find either a D or a P. There you go. Pour. So P, O, U, R. You pour the crayons on the cookie sheet. All right, we're going to finish this here if we have to. And it says, separate the colors so that none of the black ones touch the yellow. When the oven is ready, place the cookie sheet on the center rack and start your timer. So they're only going to be in there for a certain time. That's spelled timer. And wait, I help you? Timer, T. And then, yep, myrrh. What would say myrrh? Here, we're gonna do myrrh. We're gonna cut some more. M-E-R. Timer. All right. So now the timer is set. Let's cut out our crayon. You know what? I know it's hard. I know it's hard to focus. Sometimes this is like exercise for your mind. We exercise our bodies and our mind, right? And And our hands, this is exercise for your hands. I mean, you're awesome at this, Leo. Look at you. That's all you, buddy. You did that. You want me to help with this part? I'll do one word. And then you cut the other one. Exercise can be hard. It can challenge our bodies. That's okay. We want to challenge our bodies, okay? Good job. You did that. You did it. Woohoo. All right. Then we're going to make a sentence here. All right. Okay. Let's get back to our little lesson here. All right. Then there's a question that you ask. You ask yourself in a science experiment, what will happen? So, what will happen? Let's spell the word happen. I know it sounds like happy. Can we do it? Maybe it'll make us happy. All right, you ready? Let's do it. Here, I got an idea. Here, Liam, look. Let's spell happen. So, H-A-P-P-E-N. And we're going to spell some things that make us happy. Okay, so you love to go swimming. Let's spell that. S-W, then what? What comes next? Yep, I and M. You also love your exercise ball. Let's spell ball. B-A, where's the L? L and one more. L. And something else you love? I know you love apples. Let's spell apple. So A, what's next? In apple. So P. I'm only going to say if it's the right letter. So it's A and then P. What comes next? Yep, P. And then up top, top row. What's the top? Find the top. A-P-P-L. Last letter of apple, all the way in the corner. E, apple. Oh, you love your apples. And when we let you, you would love candy, too. Sometimes you're looking for it, aren't you? Let's spell candy. You got it. C, and then what? That's in there. So A, and then N, and then D, and Y. All right. So let's go back to our question here. What will melt faster, the black or the yellow? It says that what we'll realize is that the black will melt first. So black, let's spell it. B. B. What sounds B? It's on the top row. Okay. Are you ready? Here we go. Right here. The black's going to melt first. Black. Here we go, Liam. Ready? Let's get it. B, L, A, and then what comes next? Black. C, and the last letter. Third row, in the corner, up one. You're right there. Okay, black. Black will melt faster. And this is because of the pigments inside. Pigments inside relate to color. That's what gives something its color. So the pigment in a crayon is the same word we use for the pigment in our skin. Our skins have different colors. So let's spell skin. S. Let's see. Okay, it's a K sound. What's it going to be? Yep, S-K. Skin. You got the S and the K. And then comes, what comes next? It's going to be I. And the last letter of skin. Listen for it. Skin. There it is. And yes. Okay, and then the last question is, what happened in your science experiment? What color was first? Was it Y for yellow or B for blue? What was it? Do you remember? What was it? You're right down there. Yeah, it was the yellow, which was so ironic because it's supposed to be the last one that fell. All right, let's do this. Let's put this in a sentence. So, all right, we're going to make a sentence. Crayons. You want to do this part? Take your right hand. All right, so crayons is going to go. We're going to make sure we turn it this way. Crayons. Let's see. Next word. What do you think? Crayons. How about can? Put it on the right way. Crayons, can. And what do you think it should be? About or teach? Yep, that's right. Crayons can teach. What's next? Us or points? Maybe. That might be, hold on, that might be the last one. Let's do us. Crayons can teach us. Is that the right way? Make sure we put it this way. Yeah, put a little bit more glue on there. Okay, then make sure you put it on. You're using your left hand a lot today. And teach us about... You're right, you fixed it. You got... About's going to go over here. I know my sentence is kind of weird. Crayons can teach us about... What? Yep. You put the last two on there. Can you fix it? You did it. All right, we're going to spell one last word. Say, I am done. So, when you're done with something, it is spelled... How do you spell done? What do you think? What does it sound like? First letter, D. D. Here, spell the last word. Over one. D. It's right there. Over here. D, and then O, and then, and up again. Done. Good job.